Joy Ma Bogola Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Bigyan. By the grace of Ma Bogola Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. And I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. Today, 1st November 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, your day will be very normal. And in this day you may have some eyes problem, so be careful about these things. And aspirants preparing for your competitive exam will face some very big stresses, and your half-heartedly working approach may bring you in some trouble in your life during this day. And the day will be very good for the people who are associated with a medical field. Your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, be careful that your life partner should not walk barefoot for whole day. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. In this day, you may get some losses from where you expect some good profit, and you may receive some bad news during this day. And obviously, do not expect as much support from your family members. And obviously, in this day, you may have some health problem, and some material comfort will decrease from your life during this day. Your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, be careful that don't go against your parents' wishes. Then let's talk about the Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. In this day, there will be an atmosphere of happiness and joy in your family. And obviously it's a very good sign, and you will be interested in some creative works during this whole day, and you will have some freedom to do your desirable works during this day. And obviously your friends also will help you to any kind of a problem, and your day will be proved to be a very auspicious day in your life. And your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, if possible, then throw some saffron into the running water or a river or in any kind of a pond. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will enjoy with your family life, and you might change your workplace, business place, etc., and it will be obviously very good for you, and you will get some appreciation and encouragement from your authorities, high authorities, and you will get a very good results with some less efforts during this whole day. And some guests might visit your house during this day, and your routine will be balanced during this day. It's also a very good sign. And your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, feeding a white cow bread will be very good for your health improvement. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. In this day, obviously give some importance to the consultation of the senior person of your life. And family member might borrow some money from you, so careful about these things, and there will be an profit opportunities for the future, so enjoy it. And unemployed people might get a very good job through this day, and you might be some careless about your important work due to overconfidence. Don't try to do this. Your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, obviously abandon from every kind of adultery from your life. Then let's talk about the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. In this day, women might feel some uncomfortable in a family, and you might be very aggressive, and you will have to move some unnecessarily. So be careful about these things, and you might spoil your terms with your well-wishers due to worthless thoughts and the thoughts of you. And try to do not travel unnecessarily. Your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, always work with the advice of other. Don't try to work with your brain. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. In this day, some small things might create a mess in your life, so be careful, and profit deals will be received for the future. Some differences may arise with any family member during this whole day, and obviously your health will remain weak during this day, so be careful about these things. And some unmarried people will get good marriage proposals in their life during this day, and your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, your spouse should burn some blue flower at sunset, and doing by these things, he or she will be in a very good health in her or his life. Then let's talk about the Scorpio, the eighth sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will get rid of enemies, and you will be very interested in some religious work, and people will follow your instructions so that many settled tasks will be completed very easily during this whole day, and the day is very good to start a new project. But some trouble in your family will come down, so be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Today, some plaster of Paris products will be good for your health if you keep them at home and obviously at your eyesight. Then let's talk about the Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac. In this day, there will be some peace and stability in the family, and you will make up your mind to take some risks in your business or in your career. And youth might receive a love proposal through their social media, and obviously you will try to reduce bitterness in every kind of relationships. There will be a sense of humor and love with your friends. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Today, wash your genitals with yogurt at the beginning of the day, then you will get a very good results in your life during this day. Then let's talk about the Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you might be disappointed at your workplace, business place, etc. And there will be a dilemma about a particular task in your mind. And your hard work might go in vain. And your work will spoil at a last moment. So be careful. And it would be better to work on your own discretions. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, put a piece of silver at the base of any tree. If you want to do these things in a flower vase, then it's also okay. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will be very proud of your intelligence, and you might start a new business if you want. And your strength and your confidence will increase very much. But obviously keep a cordial behavior toward your loved ones. Your journey will be full of fun during this whole day, and you might watch a movie with your life partner, and if you do this, then you can get a very romantic day in your life. Your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today, if possible, then throw some copper things in any drain or dirty sewer, and obviously doing by these things you will get a very good results in your life. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces. In this day, you may have concern about your children, and you might purchase some new vehicle in your life, and if you do this, it will be very good for you. And there may be some hurdles in the project undertaken in partnership. And obviously, do not be careless in eating. You will be worried for some old thing in your life. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Today, it would be very good for you to throw some blue flower in a dirty candle. Anyway, this was the judgment of Aries to Pisces from today's match, its question and remedial action, and I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi like every day, let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a very good situation in their life so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today, I will be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge a Pisces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.